So we're here at this Vasquez Rocks. So we're gonna do some crawling as usual once again. We're gonna try to take our Axial Deadbolt and also the Vaterra Ascender. Try to crawl all that way, all the way to that peak. So let's see which of these two can make it without tipping over. All right, go.
We're gonna close the door.
Okay. We can't go this way? We gotta go around, right? So I'll tilt it more higher, so I'll get more? Okay. Yeah. Test drive. Oh, they gotta be like 5-6 feet ahead, otherwise it's just not gonna get it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh!
What?
There's a bug or something. Go, get behind me.
Yeah, I get behind you.
All right. You can't go slanted, you gotta go up. You gotta go up. Or you're gonna go through the middle. Oh, there's a gecko. Oh, there's a lot of geckos. Get the gecko, get the gecko. Oh, that's a tiny gecko, it's sick. Looks like, no, don't run it over. It's a baby. There's 2 of them.
Oh, I see. You gonna flip over though?
No, I'm not.
Oh. Hey.
That's a very up close shot of the gecko. Oh. No, start again? Totally, yours have that thing.
I guess we gotta go in between like big.
Right.
You know?
Let me get a gecko shot. Wow, the gecko is right in the face.
Let's see if it climbs in there. Quick, keep pushing.
No, let's go. Let's go to our purple. Go, keep going.
We gotta go in between.
Yeah. Oh, you're scraping it. You can't. Just go straight, man. Look, go like this. Go straight up. No, go straight up. Look. Yeah, go straight up. Follow it.
How are we gonna get down over there?
Don't worry. We're gonna come down. Same way. Yeah. See, it just keeps on falling because of that thing.
No.
Hurry up.
Go, don't worry.
I am. Quick. Yeah, we could go down slowly, probably. No, you're gonna tip over. Oh, wait. Just hold it. Let me try to get that. Hold it.
It's going down.
Because mine's got a lot of weight in the front.
So it's better going down. Or
No, going up it's good.
No, going down is better.
No, man.
Other than the front. Very nice. Can't hold it. Oh, look, I just turned the wheel to the right. All the way to the left?
Yeah. Oh, it's just going on its own.
Yeah, that's why turn it all the way to the left and slowly turn it back to the right. Like slowly, you know? Oh, that's a perfect shot.
Oh, look at this.
That's what I'm saying.
It's going on its own.
That's what I'm saying. So that's it. No. Just do the wheel thing. Don't worry about it. Let it turn all the way and slowly. Like.
Look at this. Oh, wow. Wow. That was epic. Let's go. We could go there. No, we got more epic up there. Let's go. All right, which way are we gonna go? How are you gonna get to this? We gotta get to this peak. See? We gotta get to where these guys are in the middle. So let's get to the middle right now.
That's where we were last time.
No.
So you're saying this one right here?
Yeah, the middle path.
Okay.
Or you go both to different?
No.
You sure? There you go. Are you going in the front now? Go in the front. That's like third time you fell. And me, 0. Let's keep a count. 0 and 3. All right. Go. Go. Yeah, go back. So go back a little bit and go left. Yeah. Go through the middle thing. All right, good. You gonna go this way or where the kids are? You go through that or this? I think that. Look, see, right?
That's where we were. I told you.
To go there. Is it easy to go this way up? Oh, it's better that way, middle. Cars? Yeah. Let's go. For the little cars, this way. You can't go down like that. You can't. Just go back. Come back. Let's go. We're gonna have to go through this. So 4 times. Keep count. You fell 4 times.
You can't go up there?
No, we can't. We could climb that, but it's risky. It's better this way, I think. Dude, these are so difficult.
I think I would have done it already. Oh, what the?
5 times.
I wasn't even looking.
Now we gotta climb. Yeah, we gotta climb up, but yours can't. We could climb this, I think.
No, it won't.
Yeah. Can you not climb this?
No, try right here. This is better right here. Yeah, straight up.
Wow, that's a serious climb. So you fell 5 times, right? It's gonna be your 6th time. Yeah, you're better. It's not gonna do it. Oh, accident. So axial 6 times because of that camera, man. Look at mine climbing again. Okay. Wow. Other than the body hitting it, it's perfect almost. 2nd to 3rd to red cat. Again. Oh, I was looking at yours, now mine fell too. Alright, so I fell 1 time. Gonna run out of battery before you get there. Yeah, go, 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 go. Man, you can't do anything. Can you lower that GoPro? Let's go. I fell 2nd time. Go. Don't fall. Whoa! I was gonna fall. Straight up.
I guess we gotta go really slow. Really slow.
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Oh, I'm gonna come down, right? We'll come down. I think. No, we could go up. Go straight out left. You gotta go bank left, where they are sitting, up, and then it's probably a little downhill over there. Huh? There it is, right? Go, go, go. Just follow them. Are you falling? Oh, look at that, Vaterra.
It wasn't for streaming, right?
Yeah, yours falling mainly because of the GoPro, man. Because the battery's at the back, and the GoPro makes it more heavier in the back, so you can't climb anything. I think take the GoPro by your hand, or hand. Yeah, remove the GoPro. Remove it. Oh. See, it's doing better. All right. Now let's go. Are you getting it? Oh. So that's like 7 times for you. Axial Deadbolt is the worst there is to it. All right, let's go. Skip it.
No, Brian no la quiere porque se despeina.
Oh, we can make it now. Let's go. Speed up, don't worry. Follow me. Ooh, whoa. Alright, here we go. Go down the valley and then we climb up. Or we could, how do we do this? Should we go this way? It's difficult for it to go this way. Want to go this way like this? Yeah, let's go. Climb up. I think so, yeah. Go this way. Yeah, it's just gonna go like this. We're gonna go with this crack and they're gonna go like this. Go. Go, come. Go in front of mine now. Yeah, you should be in the front because you don't have camera. Be in the front. Align it right here. No, we're gonna fall again. Should align it. You gotta align it like this. Align it slowly. Come on. Because of your tire, right? Yeah, hey, come. So, bear left over there.
We're gonna go up or we're gonna stay here?
We're gonna go up, definitely. Wait,
you're gonna go down. We're gonna go down right there.
I don't understand what you're saying, man. Okay. Just wait for mine, wait. Till it catches up. Yeah, go. Keep going. Just come up, man. Wow, look at them coming down. Yeah, that's just too much risking it. Putting them at risk. That's not fun. Alright, we're done. Let's go. You're here. Alright, let them pass and then we go. guys got guts with kids. Stuck there. I gotta go there to see it. It's a bit risky, but let me go up there. Bismillah. Say Bismillah, man. Yeah, it's oh, look at that, man. Must be crazy. We are crazy. Bismillah. Mine is
usually stuck right there.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Hold on. Maybe we'll crack yours. Damn, that's some scary. Never doing this again. Oh shoot. Huh?
Careful, yours is going down.
Let me get to this hole.
Well, the toughest part is going down.
Oh man, Allahu Akbar. I'm gonna try to go back. So now, look, I want to reverse it out and then come up. So can you wait there? Give me your stuff so it doesn't fall.
Oh,
yeah.
See if it's there?
Yes, I'll try my best to. Okay. Bismillah. Say Bismillah. Yallah, save us. I know, I'm just letting it go as is.
Are you going to go all the way to the top?
No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Got it? Hey. Yeah, I can just follow your lead now. We'll go all the way to the top, right? Same way? touch it. And now I have to. Alright. It's a lot of weight in the front. Now I see why. It does what it does.
Does it better.
Alright, go. Yeah. I made it. Okay. I'll catch yours if it falls. Straight up, we could go. I am. Just come up. Alright, so how do you go up? This same way? Alright. Alright. That's Omar. Man, I said we're not gonna do climbing no more. So, I have fear of heights, man. Just straight up, like this. Yeah. No, we're gonna go all the way to the top. Look, send yours. Let me go up top. I'll get it from the top. Of course they get to the top, man. Oh, man. It's like straight down. A lot of steep, man. To me. Get up close, cause mine is about to fall. It looks like. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Only grab it when it's about to fall. It's on 3 wheels, man. Yeah, I mean yours is empty right now.
Don't worry about mine.
Oh, Allah, Allah, Allah. Oh, it broke. Oh, Allah, Allah, Allah. Oh, it broke. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Careful. It's okay. Careful. Oh. Sorry about that. It's okay. Don't worry about the car. It's okay. Are you guys okay?
Watch it. Omar.
Are you guys okay?
Omar, look this way. What is he doing? Huh? No, what is he doing with your car? see if it goes right and left. Steer it.
It's okay. It's okay. Leave it there.
Omar, watch it. Omar, watch it. Omar, watch it. Hold this. Now it's gonna be both. Where's the car? Where's the car? At least we don't have to carry one down. It's gonna be less to carry down. Let's go. Let's see what we broke on that. We made it to the top, and so did this thing, Vaterra Ascender. But the yeah, axle made it to the top. I don't know how it fell. The axle fell down and it hit somebody, and luckily the fall got saved because of that creek right there, right? That slant, that rock. So this thing fell from all the way on top where the guy is sitting. From there, it over here with this little the fall with this crack, all the way down to the right, and then all the way down there. Tell me, let's see if it works. Yeah, good. Oh, and it works. And it works. Oh shoot! Climb it. Go climb it there. No, no, go over there. Go up a little bit. Go up a little bit. See if it works. Just to make sure it works. Wow. There you go. There you go. That's like what, 50 feet more on these rocks? Still working? Amazing, man. Pick it up, see if everything's okay. What broke? Something should be broken.
No.
The battery fell off.
Just a battery. I just shoved it in there. I don't know how it goes in there.
And nothing broke. Look at this. No, survive would be broken parts. Nothing happened. He's scratch proof. Wow. Thank you. Alright, let's pick up the body.
It's alright.
Pick up the body. No, put the battery back.
Oh, well, I'm just gonna carry it.
Oh, you don't want to run it back?
No, are you gonna run yours back?
No. Let's go. So after crashing like 50-60 feet, nothing happened to this. So that is very, very surprising. The only thing is the battery fell off from here. Did anything break? Battery slipped off because it wasn't tied hard enough, I guess, strong enough. Oh, servo bent. Yeah, this thing broke. Yep. Yeah.
How did it break? Oh.
That whole thing broke, right? Yeah, I was wondering.
Oh.
Is that amount? Like, see? This thing.
Oh, that was that.
It broke or it came off?
No, from where? Oh, I see.
Yeah, yeah, there's a hole.
Yeah,
There's a
right.
hole. Put it to that hole, see if it fixes itself.
There you go.
Is it as simple as that? Really?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. You think so?
Yeah.
So plastic as oh. Yeah, I think something was holding it.
Oh, because the screw, look, there's a screw here, and it just went through.
So that part broke, right?
Yeah.
Oh, just one piece. It's just one piece that's holding the servo. Yeah.
This little clip right here.
محمد رسول
Pond over there?
Yeah, all of this. It's like a lake.
Rick can do it.